Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we will learn about the steps of namaz. So the first step of namaz is making intention. How you have to make the intention and what's necessary in making the intention is, what you have to do, you have to be in wuzu and then you will stand facing the qibla with feet spaced 4 finger apart, and then you have to raise both hands to your shoulder level. And what you have to do, you have to make intention quietly or in mind for whichever salah you wish to perform. Like if you are performing asr, you should make the intention about the asr. If you are praying zohar, then you have to make intention of zohar salat. So, and the next important thing is, during salah you have to keep the eyes fixed on the spot where the head will be on sajda unless otherwise mentioned. So when you are making intention, your eyes should be on the place where you will perform the sajda, where you will do the sajda. The second thing is Taqbeer. Taqbeer is saying Allahu Akbar. So when you will make intention, after making intention, you have to raise your both hands to the shoulder level without extending beyond the shoulder. Your palms facing qibla and your fingers should be in the normal position, and then your eyes should be on the place where you will do the sajda, and then you have to say Allahu Akbar. You can look in the picture also that how the girl is saying Allahu Akbar. This position is very important. So when you are starting the namaz, you have to first make intention, then you have to raise your hands. You raise your both hands to the shoulder level. And two things are important, that your palms should be facing the qibla, and the second thing is that your fingers should be in the normal position, and then you will say Allahu Akbar. Okay, and then it's the next step is recitation. So after saying Allahu Akbar, what will you do? You will lower the hands and then you will place your left palm on the chest and right palm over the left. Okay, like if you can see in the picture, the position is pretty good. You can see. So the girl is standing like her left palm is on her chest and the right palm is over the left hand. And then you have to recite Sana first. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka ismuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. You should know the correct pronunciation of the Arabic part which you will recite in namaz. We will discuss the remaining steps in the next videos.